Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is a JSON result type in MVC. In ASP.NET MVC, JSON result is a type of an action result that is used to return JSON formatted data from a controller action to the client side. JSON result is typically used when you need to send data like objects, arrays, collections to the client in JSON format, often in AJAX request. It serializes the returned data into JSON automatically. Now, let's look at one example. We have a public JSON result return type and we have a one method get user details. In the method we have a one variable called user and we have a anonymous data type new name equal to John, age equal to 30 we have assigned. In return type we are going to return JSON. In square bracket we are returning that user data, and JSON request.behavior.AllowGet, we this is for security reason we have given here, and allows the request to be get. In this example, when the action get user details is called, it returns a JSON response containing the user details. Key points to remember: JSON results returns JSON data. JSON request behavior.AllowGet used for allowing get request with JSON, needed for security only. Thank you.